Welcome back to Liberty Marksman. I'm Ken, he's Scott.
Today we're going to be talking about a little item that we picked up for our pistol build, and it's a Devil Dog Concept side charger.
You've been asking about it, so we're going to show you.
We're going to show you a little quick unboxing.
Oh, come on, you're supposed to take it and then whip it.
Yeah, whip it. So you get your charging handle, pretty nice little package there. Get a sticker. A little different.
You got to put it on the board.
I will. Now, Devil Dog Concepts is actually a veteran-owned company, and we were referred to him, or actually found out about it, through a gentleman named James at High Speed Shooting Stabilizer. James is also a veteran-owned company. This is we're always glad to fucking support our veterans, because you know what, I want to see what their concepts are and what they're going with, and see what they are. Well, I'll tell you what, I've already ran this thing and we just kind of repackaged it to show you how it came.
How simple it goes together.
So right off the bat, we'll just do a quick drop down. Slide your bolt, regular charging handle out. Don't look in there, it's dirty.
Oh, you prima donna hipster.
Okay,
it's supposed to be dirty. That means you're using the damn thing.
Yeah, it's been ran and put away dirty. Most of the time that's how it happens until you get to the next point. So you take your supplied Allen, and I find that it's easier just to remove your pick rail clamp completely. This little guy just makes it a pain in the ass to put it on.
You think that was an Asian who designed that?
I don't know. I don't know, but it doesn't go in that easy. So, with your upper, you literally have to turn it sideways in order to get it, trying to figure out which way it goes, that way, so that you can drop it in the slot, slide the handle down until it locks in, rotate, see about where it's going to go, which is like the first pick rail slot. Just screw back in, clamp, let's hold it kind of just like that. Start your Allen. Allen. Good and tight.
Yeah.
Drop it back. Slot your bolt.
Holy crap, that's about the fastest install video we've ever done.
Yeah.
You weren't so long-winded for once.
I'm going to have to over-explain the instructions on this one.
Let me explain something to you.
I'll tell you what. Just feels like it belongs there. There you go, that side charger.
Hi, friend. Thing works flawlessly, and you know it's not too often to get all geeked out about something right out the chute, but
No, because I really wanted to do a side charger build, and I may still, but you know what? For right now, this definitely satisfied my urge to have a side charger on an AR platform, and it's really cool that Devil Dog Concepts actually has replacement parts in case some of these items are Delron. They offer a longer charging handle, a shorter charging knob, if you will, and any wear items that you can replace individually. So they've really thought it out really well, and they've done a great job with it. And so far, I'm going to run the shit out of this thing and see just how it holds up, and I don't foresee any issues with it because there's not a lot there to wear out, but we'll see just how it holds up.
Yeah, I like it enough that I'm actually going to buy one. So, just throwing that out there.
So there you go, guys. There you go, what?
There you go.
There you go, guys. So if you like, share, subscribe, check us out because we got some more stuff coming up on the pistols that we built. Some good, some bad.
Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And remember, don't take liberty
For granted.